Oh, oh, cuz I was about to get it. Oh, anyways, we're gonna change out the LEDs and inside on the map lights. I already changed out one. It's the blue, as you can see. We'll do a comparison to the normal map light. It's kind of that orangish, yellowish light. What do they call it? A halogen or whatever. Whatever. It's blue LED. I'm gonna show you how to get that one out. Real simple. I just used a flathead. I would say it'd be a panel popper that they use to get the door trims and things of that off, but I didn't have one, so whatever. I used whatever it is I had, which was a flathead screwdriver, a small one. So what we're gonna do is we're going to peel or we're going to pry this part away. See how easy that came off? And I did it on this side because obviously that's where the hinge is. That's probably where we want to go. If you can see the light bulb. Okay, so the best way to get these little light bulbs out that are very hard to get, I would say, is to get a piece of tape. Any kind of tape works. Wrap it around the bulb when it's seated, just like this, and then just pull it out. That's probably the best way that I know how so far to get it out. I know I see some people using bobby pins and some other stuff and rubber bands, but the tape seems to be working easy. Okay, and these are the, I think the Marsauto, I'll put the link in the description, blue LED bulbs. They're a little bit larger. They're a little bit larger, and I really shouldn't be touching it with my hands, but they're a little bit larger than the ones that come out of factory. So you can see that right here. All right, but they still work. It doesn't interfere, you know, with the light switch or the light panel that goes over the light bulb. So what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and seat that back in, and you should see the light flicker for a second. I can get it in. What I'll do is I'll put the panel in or open the door, make sure that they come on. As you can see, blue light. There we go. Blue light. To reseat the panel is very easy. Just remember that there's some little clips right here that correspond with the notches towards the back of the panel. Just like that. You're good to go. Right? Okay. Now the Marsauto that I received, I had a pack of these. I want to say 10 came in a pack. I'll put the link in the description. But you can also use these for the footwell lights and also your glove box light.